And the purpose of this program is to make you one of the best healers. Ultimately, we want to lead you to a life which will be a spiritual life, not only concerned with the medicine and health, but something beyond that. Because health is only for the body. Thoughts and planning and all these are for the mind and the brain and the thoughts. Beyond that there is something. There is a world, and there is a spiritual world. And my program wants to lead you to that, where you will be developing at the highest level of your life, not only physically, mentally, but spiritually also. It is only in the human life that we care or we worry about development. Animals, birds, insects, they don't have any problem. Why we worry about development? Because we are competing with each other. Everyone is competing with the other person, either his own family member, or a neighbor, or a man in the family as related, or somebody whom he knows, or the colleagues at the office. Everywhere there is competition. And everybody wants to go ahead of others. Now this program will lead you towards the development of your faculties, which will be changing from each individual to individual. Everyone's requirement of development is different. Somebody may like to be a minister, somebody may like to be a priest, somebody may like to be a philosopher, somebody may like to be a professor, or somebody may like to be a teacher, or somebody may like to be a trader, or an industrialist, or something else. And the requirement of each one is different from each other. So we will also know from you what is your requirement, and the further program will be planned according to that. We will come to that later on. Now what is self-development? As I told you, it is competition and comparison with each other. Everyone compares himself with the other person. Where am I? And where I should be. And everybody wants to be superior to others. There are hundreds of people who are inferior. They feel the inferiority complex. They also want advice how to develop ourselves and become superior than others. And how to become superior is the purpose of this program. Now life, what is life? Life is a travel from cradle to grave. A man is born, till he dies he is traveling, traveling and traveling. And he is working. Throughout he is working. Even in the brain also he is working 24 hours. During sleep time also he is having dreams. During daytime also he is having dreams. I want to be this, I want to be that. If I get this, I will be this. If I get that, I will be that. If I get that position, I will do like this. Everyone is thinking, thinking and thinking. And the thinking is nothing but a ladder for going higher and higher. Unless you are dissatisfied with your life and you want to end the life, that's a different thing. But even in cases of suicide also I have found that the people who have committed suicide have got greatest courage, boldness. To bring an end to the life is not an easy thing. When a case is referred to me for a suicide, I study the man, his faculties, his capacities, and his thoughts. And I find that he has come to ultimate decision where he has failed. And because he has failed, he has come to me to find a way of life. Many people come to me and tell me when they have committed suicide, I want to die. I tell them that you have come to a wrong person. I don't teach you how to die, I teach you how to live. So go to a person who will teach you how to die. And where is the person who will teach you how to die? Nobody. So when a man wants to live, then the next question is, okay, if I cannot die, what can I do? Right question. And he is to be developed. His brevity and his courage, which has led him to commit suicide, that is the greatest courage one has. And if that courage is developed into brevity and if he is made a warrior, he will fight the war of life. And hundreds of cases are with me, where people are shining, They have become the best people in the world after committing suicide. So development is going further, further and further. No end. Man is craving for development even at the time of death. If I get a few days more, I will do this and I will do that. And with us people above 60, we call it our age as bonus years. After 60 we have our bonus years, and bonus years are to be spent in what way? They are not to be spent for the self, they are to be spent for the society. I say I have lived my life up to 60 years in the way I wanted. I earned money, I have done everything. I got everything with the grace of God. But now is the time when I should give it to the society and maximum to the society. And I do that work, 24 hours. Whoever comes to me, I help them. Develop further and further. We organize programs, we organize so many things, seminars and all that. And people are developed further, further and further. Groups of people are there. Some people want to make money. We have programs for them also. Some people want to develop personally. We have programs for them. This program is one of that. And the developments are there in many ways. Not only money, but many other ways. So many people don't want any money. A reporter from newspaper asked me once, what is the subject matter in which human beings are interested most? I said, I have to think over. He said, money. I said, no, many people don't want money. They say, whatever we get is enough. We are not worried about money. We don't worry for tomorrow. God has given us life and He will provide for us tomorrow. Then what are they interested in? Sex? I said, no. Many people don't want sex. Then what are they interested in? They are interested only in judging other people and criticizing other people. Maximum interest with the people is to judge others as I am supreme and all others are, not knowing many things. Manmohan Singh should have done this and that. Every day in the morning I hear the lecture. From my children also. Manmohan Singh is on the wrong path. Lalit Modi has been punished wrongly. They judge everything in their own way. And they pass the judgment. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Then what is right? And if you are made a minister or chief minister or prime minister for 1 day or 2 days, what will you do? I will do this, I will do that. Okay. And then when you put the arguments and the logic, what about this, what about that? Confusion. So development should not be such when it leads to confusion. Development should be on the right track. And if you are on the right track, you will never be going back. You will never have to look back in the life, but you will be progressing further and further. And that's the purpose of this program. A series of lectures will be there. If I am permitted, I will be giving you about 30 lectures. If they arrange it once a month, then it will take 2.5 years. So formerly they were arranging every week, but then something has happened and they are unable to arrange every week. Now what is life? I told you it is incessant, continuous work. People are working one or the other way, either mentally, physically or otherwise. But they work, work and work. Even by thinking also they are working, I will be this, I will be this, I will be this. I will be achieving this, after that I will achieve this, I have this, I have that. But how to plan out successfully, that is the main problem. Many people don't know, they waste their time. And time lost is lost forever. You cannot get it again. Now to give examples from various people, Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, most popular president of America from Washington to Obama. Even today they don't have another president equivalent to Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln. You must have heard his name. A great personality. He worked and worked, but he not worked in the right track. He failed in the election 17 times for Senate. He was nominated as senator, he was nominated as governor, he failed every time. And 18 times he was nominated as President of America.